need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your Mendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. These niggas want me back in that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in. I gotta watch my tempo. Stepper, 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 only stepping for a check. Stepper, 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 gotta step on niggas' neck. BBS, my diamonds getting all these.
Welcome back to another banger video, man. I feel like every time I start my video, I think I'm in my car, but you see a C8 over there. But yeah, right now I'm waiting on Cuban. Honestly, I don't know where he at. Oh, here he is. Man, I was cruising. I was going 70 miles per hour the whole way, and I beat Cuban by a good like 5-6 minutes. That's but the back boys, or back boy, I'm not back yet, but I'm trying to get back. Damn. Just have to do it, huh? Yeah. The fitment is nice though. But mine is not as nice. It's pretty fresh.
What you got on that, though?
Man, what took you so long, man? I was cruising going 70
this dude says I'm not gonna smash.
I was cruising the whole way.
You left me right when we got on the freeway.
Okay, see, I was going slow, but I was bobbing again.
This dude's cap.
No, I can't go fast. My car is broke. No, that's cap. My car is not broke. Yeah. The orange or camera do look good, though.
Actually, big bro.
The orange do look good right here, I ain't gonna lie.
Sure.
Yeah, with that windshield tint, too. But you're back, so I can't relate to you, so I'm on.
Think about the C8, though.
Oh, yeah, I seen that blue is nice. If I had the money, I'd buy one. I can see all these damn shades. Yeah, if I had the money, I'll buy it, though. I can't afford to see it right now.
Is this a different spot?
No, it's that one over there. Yeah, all the way over here. Oh, should I get new wheels too?
Fuck yeah.
Hell no. I ain't buying new wheels. I could though. I'll take these white ones. We're in JD Peppermint. 96. Definitely those blue. Flash with steering wheel.
Great, yeah.
Yeah. Should I get those? Let me check real quick. Cause I forgot till now. Alright, y'all. So back in the car. It is raining outside, y'all. It is like full on raining. But I caught me a cold air intake. So this is actually actual full on cold air intake instead of the other one had a short rep intake. So this would give my car a little bit more power. But just like I said, I don't really plan on building this car like that anymore. So I'm just doing the simple things that everybody would do to a car. We have Cuban over there, so we're about to stop by. This shop here is 10 minutes away. FYI, that shit's hard, huh? So yeah, that's what we're about to do right now. We're kind of in a rush. So when I get there, I'll start recording again. Intermission, man. It is really raining, like really raining, man. Comment down below and let me know if it's raining in y'all city, man, because Jesus Christ, it rain. We got Cuban behind me, man. Ooh, that boy right there, man. I can't relate. It's going just like that, man. Damn, that's crazy, man. But yeah, I'm actually excited to install this because like my turbo, I can't really hear it. But with this, I will be able to hear a lot more. So can't wait for that, man. Hopefully this dude don't fake on me. He told me he'll install it. Usually he only works on like on European cars. So look at that Hellcat and that McLaren, orange McLaren over there. God damn, I see you, boy. Ooh-wee. Look at that McLaren staring out my car, man. That's crazy. But yeah, actually, I can't wait to get this installed. I'm really hoping he doesn't like flake on me or some shit. Driving without a plate is bad for you. But yeah, for everyone that's really like actually is wondering what's wrong with my car, what did happen. When I was running the E30, E40 blend, equals like running 85 on my car. I kind of messed well. It's like it's a hit or miss with these type of cars. So usually the car is fine, but sometimes you will need like a brand new like fuel pump and stuff like that, because if you don't know, E85 is a pretty high octane for gas, man. It's good for your car, but it can damage your car too, like internally, or like fuel pump wise, engine wise, if you don't tune it right and if you don't like change your fuel pump. So obviously I changed my fuel pump, but I didn't upgrade my fuel pump. So obviously I will not be running E85 anymore at all. Strictly 91 on a street tune, and I want to retune my car again once I install this intake. So yeah, man, I actually can't wait. Just pulled up to the shop. I am at Best Motorworks. Hopefully they can install it. Y'all obviously can't see because it's up there, but I'm checking inside real quick and see if they can do it. Whew. All right, cool. You're turning dark because I cannot record it from inside my car. And okay, got a GTR. I'll gap you. Lie my ass off. Oh, that's a fat ass tire. And about to a twin turbo swap on that GTR in there. We got another one over there.
There's another one over here too.
With no front bumper, so that means he has. He's on brake. That car is down. That car is not running.
No, that car does not have a motor.
Yeah.
You can tell by the way
how
high the front end is.
It's on a good tire though.
Oh, yeah. Some R888 would not want to drive that right now though.
Yeah, you gonna end up in the bushes over there or something. Yeah, but the R8 inside the shop though is getting a full twin turbo build right now.
These probably all are, to be honest.
Shoot. Jeez. That's right. That's Lambo Central there.
Oh yeah, it is. It already has turbos on.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this one. Fucking the Gallardo too has twin turbos. Center exit.
Some light. Damn, it must be nice.
Sick.
And my car gone. Well, it's definitely snowing in canyons though.
Oh yeah.
So I gotta go in the canyons because it's gonna be, because the rain stopped today or tomorrow. No, I think it's only rains today. It sounds so good. Yeah. Sexy car. Whose car is that? I don't know, man.
You need to get a whole new under tray and the metal plate
Yeah.
that supports everything. I took off the bottom. You tried putting this intake on already yourself or no?
No.
Okay.
No, I just bought it right now.
Okay. I took off the bottom air box.
Yeah.
There's a holder for it. So I have it tight up to here. There was a bottom holder at the bottom of that. I wouldn't recommend going straight to the floor of the wheel well with this
Yeah.
because you see down there, everything's torn apart.
Oh shit. Yeah,
So it's called a splash shield, and I don't know what Honda terms is for the metal plate. We
Yeah,
call
yeah,
it a
like
reinforcement
this.
plate. So both of those, that's that rubbing you constantly hear.
Is that?
Yeah, that's not
Oh,
your car
cool.
being as low as you think it is. That's
Okay,
actually, if you want to hop down.
Oh, that stupid thing.
Yeah, so all of this has been destroyed.
God damn.
So it's not you actually, yeah, it's not you thinking you're that low.
Okay.
That thing, you need to get that taken care of. I left all the original parts and the extra parts inside the box.
Yeah.
If you ever want to go straight to the floor with the intake,
I don't plan to now.
yeah, I would take care of that splash
Yeah, I
shield
can-
and
yeah,
everything
'cause the
first,
water getting
because
that
if
and
not,
then-
you're going to be sucking everything up and you're
Yeah.
going to blow the motor.
That is crazy. Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, no,
I don't even think mine's fucked up, man. And I drive low as shit.
yeah.
What the hell did I hit?
I don't fucking know.
I hit some, but I appreciate that.
No problem. I'll help you out inside.
Damn. Oh shit. I hit something. But it sounds good though. That is funny. Now I know my car is flammable. I'm definitely about to get that fixed tomorrow. Good thing it is not raining, so no water can get in the intake, so that's pretty good. But I'm finna head home. I'm about to put these car parts right in the crib, save them, because obviously you should always keep your stock car parts. Yeah, Cuban's right there, about to head out. I'm about to head out, so I'm about to eat my Tommy's while driving. I mean, okay, so I'll catch y'all in a minute. So I was getting my thumbnail And the guy in the Merrill done pulled up.
Oh my God.
I appreciate all your support though, bro.
That's what's
I
up.
appreciate it. This blue is actually nice. It goes well with the orange. So because the whole idea is the orange, the forest carbon, the baby blue. So
That's
that's
what's
my whole
up.
thing. So it's my steering wheel is carbon
Yeah, that
with
shit is
orange
fucking
and then a blue
bad.
stripe. So I
Hey,
gotta get
Tom
that.
got hooked up with that steering wheel, no
Nah.
cap. Fuck, that shit looks sexy.
No, I appreciate it.
He
No, I appreciate that shit is hard,
Fucking
bro.
Tom
That
guy.
shit is hard.
did it
bro.
on his Lamborghini, on his.
Oh yeah, yeah.
All carbon fiber.
I'm trying to get a Lambo. Shit, I'm trying to buy a Lambo, but the new like the Hellcat that's black now,
Yeah.
it's for sale now, but I might get it.
Officer Jones, huh?
Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna try and get it.
You sure that shit looks
But it's
bad. It's that black one that told you.
Hold on, you showed me.
I was
Yeah, 'cause
watching
it's
that
technically
video
brand
yesterday. It's
I
basically.
think it only has like
Officer
50,000
Jones wouldn't
miles.
even use it.
Yeah.
It was
So
always
it's technically
the
a brand new
Copcat.
Hellcat. So I mean, because I probably drove it more than he did.
Yup.
So it's like
Hey, you almost blew the transmission off of that one.
hell no.
I need
Nah.
a track hog on.
Yeah, it's track hog. This it's just the fuel pumps went out. But
That shit is nice.
not efficient though. Yeah,
Hey,
it's
reflection
almost
detail
done.
did- Hey, reflection detail did the thing. I've been telling my girl let's go get it wrapped.
Got to shit. What color you trying to do with this?
She want to do which one? Some color match.
Ooh,
And reflection detail is a good one to
Ooh.
go to.
that'd be
She wanted
hard.
like a million.
That'd be hard. Oh yeah, dude. Fuck. I
Like
think I've
purple,
seen.
gold.
Yeah, it's one that's like all different colors in one. Yeah, do that.
Got
As
it.
a mandatory, especially the Merrill. The bags. Be cool.
And then we
cool.
can keep up with
Yeah.
Sway.
Yeah, I'm debating if I should go bags or not.
He should.
I don't know.
Hey, but
ain't
one
trying to
thing,
drop 5
don't
racks.
open your tires like that.
I know, yeah. Yeah,
Don't
so
do
it's like, if I go bags, then my fingers will be fucked up. Because right now, I'm already like rubbing a whole lot. So
They did drop more.
yeah. So if I go bags, like the top fender, this part would cover up to like right here. So yeah. So if I go bags, I don't know. I don't know, something like
You're gonna
that.
for sure getting have trouble going everywhere.
Yeah. Shit, I had that problem now. That bumper on that side is fucked up because I was going up a little like a hill to like a restaurant, and then I got stuck. So like there's like a fender over there, like the bumper is fucked up. It's like all bent and everything. Can't tell though.
You
but-
probably wear off-roading.
Nah, hell no. I'm black. I don't go off road. Fuck that shit. That's too scary for me. Hell no. For shit. I have
See you
my
later,
thumbnail.
bro. Have a good one.
I appreciate it. Y'all be safe.
You too.
For sure. Ooh. Good lighting. All right, for sure. Take care. Appreciate it. Got the Mero. I see you. Don't mind this and don't mind that. But mind that and all these damn car parts that's literally in my car right now.
I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 Kias with a hustle with your Mindo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. These niggas want me back in that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in. No, sir. I gotta watch my tempo. Step a step a step a